I like buffalo wings. I like mine with blue cheese and with ranch and with celery. And I thought, you know what? What if there's just a way we could combine that and I can get the flavors without having to go through the trouble of cooking the wings or waiting for the wings to show up? So we put some things together. This is great for a party. It's great for you to make at home as an appetizer, as part of a, part of a board. So what we have here is we have two big tablespoons of mayonnaise. And we have a 1/3 cup of hot sauce, or this is a buffalo sauce. I like to use buffalo sauce. We just put these in here. And we're gonna just combine these a little bit. All right, that smells really good. I have 2 cups of chicken. This is a rotisserie chicken that I had, and I just shredded two cups of it. If you have a chicken breast left over, you can do that. So we're gonna put the chicken in. We're gonna mix this up. All right, now we have taken celery, cut them, wash them, then cut them into about 3-inch little strips. We're gonna go ahead and try to load these up. Don't be squeamish. This is one of those messy foods. Because when you eat wings, they're kind of messy, so we gotta get the same type of messy component involved here. We have our chicken and our celery boats. Now, if you like blue cheese, you do this step. If you don't like blue cheese, don't do this step. You just take some blue cheese and you can crumble them and put them on the celery boats. So you're getting all the flavors of wings. Because you usually serve celery, right, with your wings. Well, we're just kind of put those components all together. Because I like ranch with my wings, I'm gonna drizzle this with some ranch. Why go ranch or blue cheese when you can go ranch and blue cheese, is my thought. And then to make it pretty, we're gonna cut up just a few chives here. We're going to sprinkle them over the top. And there you go. You're going to like this. Give it a shot. It won't replace your wings, but when you get a craving and you can't have wings, you can have this. Now go cook something.